G11 vehicle unpacking and installation video. Manual foot pedal kit charger. Front fender. Seat back. Mobile phone holder. Front wheel. Scissors cut off. Then there is the location of the car. Fold up the riser. Stock buckle. Open the upper bayonet. Front installation. There is a slot at the front of the car. Align the position of this groove in the riser and install it. The bayonet is locked clockwise. Fender installation. Take apart this kit. Pedal. Tool. Car lock. Rear pedal. Bearing rod. Manual. Wheel bend manual. There is one on it. Front wheel installation instruction diagram. The first headlight fender is installed. Second fender stick installation. The third one removes the front insert fixed bearing rod. Fourth front wheel bearing rod mounting. Screw installation. Tighten the screw. Fender installation. 1. This position of our headlight. Move to the front. Fender. Fix it. Find a 5 cm hexagon tool. Headlight fixed. Loosen the screw. Headlight fender. Screw fixing. Stick fixing. Loosen the screw and remove it. Same thing on the other side. Where is the stick? The other side. Then the front wheel is installed. The first one takes off the bearing first. Its front wheel. Bearing rod. This way on the short axis. Loosen the screw. Remove gasket. The long axis is aligned on the other side. Stop axis. Hook gasket. After the two sides are fixed, gasket facing outward. The gasket must be hooked to the front plug, and the nuts on both sides must be tightened. Rear panel and fender straight pipe mount. We should loosen the two screws for the inner hexagon first, after the screws are removed. Position of the rear panel. Hold the stick position. Tighten the screw half first. Mobile phone holder installation. The first one is to take out the phone holder first. Bracket. Tool. First, loosen this screw first. The screw, after one side is unscrewed, rotate it like this. Installation and then the position of the small nut. What about after the nuts on both sides are completely tightened? The location of the mobile phone holder. Remove the nut at the bottom first. Install the nut under this bracket. That's the position of the screw. Tighten clockwise. Foot mount. Our position on the right. The position on the left of valve. Take this off first. The position of the thread is screwed in the direction of the front of the car. Screw forward like L. Then take the seat of the bag. Open bayonet. Then tighten the nut clockwise. The vehicle is installed.